Welcome to Drops.li. So today we're talking about this airdrop called the Sign Airdrop. So in this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do this particular airdrop. So please, if today is your first time you joining us, please you do well to support us by subscribing to our channel. So in the course of this video, moving from one link to another, all those links is going to be there in the description. So just go over there, you click on it, and then you follow along. So now coming over to the first link. So you just watch as I do these things. Okay, so now once you come over to this place, you just click on this. Let's go. Now you have two options to click on, but let's start with this first one, the orange print. Click on it, and then you click on the first one. So you have to go down, move down, and then you click on this. Next, click on the next one, then you move down as well, and then you click on this. Okay, next one as well. So you just follow along. Okay, then the next one. Okay, so now click on sign and then confirm. So next we're going to authorize your Twitter account, so you just do that quickly. Okay, alright, I'm done with this. So now next we're going to sign, so you click on this sign here and then you have to sign. So just sign your signature. So after you're done, then click on confirm. So then you move up and then click on sign. So you have to choose any object, just choose any one you want to choose. So I'll choose this one. Let me go with this. Okay, and then I'll confirm and then click on yes. Okay, orange, first one. Now we are done with, so the next one we're going to do is to click on the next one, which is okay. We are done with connecting our Twitter. So now next, come over to this place and click on the sign glass maker. So now you have to upload any image, just upload any image. So I'll click on here and upload my image. And then you have to adjust this glass to fit where, and then you have to download this image. So after, you are still going to upload this image there at your Twitter page and then tag them with it. Okay, so I will see showing that one. Okay, so we are done with this. So now coming over to the next link. So once you come over here, first thing you have to do is that you have to log in with your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet you want to use. So log in first, and then head over to profile and then click on profile and head over to this place, connect identity. So now here you have to log in your email, connect your Telegram, your Discord and all these things. So I'll do it quickly. Okay, I'm almost done with this. So I'm done with connecting all my social. So you do well to connect one as well. So now after you're done with this, then come over to this place and then click on create schema. Okay, so here you move down and then you have to fill up all these things. Okay, just choose a name for the schema name. So I'll just put in my name here. Okay, and then once you're done with this, you just choose just write the schema description, just put in anything. Then scroll down, click on base. Next, select this option, okay, and then still put in your name here. So just follow the same way I'm doing, just follow the same step, okay. Right, so click on yes and then create. So one of the ways that we can earn more from this airdrop is by engaging with this @sign, okay, and @sign, okay. So we have to create contents and then to tag them with this @sign, okay. So any kind of content, both video contents, then posting on Twitter. By doing this, we are pushing yourself for this particular airdrop, okay. So you just do it, and then anything you can do, you're free to create anything. We'll just ensure that you tag them, okay. So now that's all for this particular video. So please, if you have any question, you do well to ask me there in the comment section. Please also support us by subscribing to our channel, right? Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. So bye.